Maybe you've seen this package before, Club Warehouse or supermarket. Maybe you're intimidated about lamb chops, or maybe you've just had it before and it was too gamey. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the absolute perfect lamb chop. Once you've washed your lamb chop, make sure you pat it down so it's nice and dry. This rack of lamb comes from New Zealand, and in New Zealand, they're exceptionally careful how they raise their sheep. Season your lamb chop with a generous amount of fresh ground Celtic Sea Salt on all sides. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of honey to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Brush it all over the lamb chops, generously. Finally, mince up equal parts of mint and parsley, roughly 2 tablespoons of each. Chop up some fresh organic rosemary, about 1 tablespoon. If you can, add it to a mortar and pestle and muddle it together. That'll release a lot of the oils and the aromatics. Press those beautiful muddled greens all over your lamb chops. The key to making perfect lamb chop is to use a probe. You put it in the center of your lamb chop, and if you get the inside temperature at 125 degrees, it will be perfectly medium rare. You can cook it in the oven. Just try to get the temperature of that oven between 375 and 400 degrees. Or you can cook it on the barbecue. It'll take about 25 minutes to cook. I'm really curious to find out how you make your lamb chops. Please leave a comment down below, and especially if you give this a try, let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, hitting that subscribe button, sharing it with your friends. We'll see you again soon.